Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using NX. We are going to model this component using these dimensions. While modeling this component, do the add material feature first, then do the remove material features. To do this component, first go to the NX, File, New, choose model. Our units are in millimeter, choose mm, specify the file name, specify the location where you want to save, then save OK. Now I'm just taking the software right side and this sketch in the left side. Now we'll create this component. First go to the sketch. This one I'm going to take it in the top plane. Save OK. First take the circle. First I'm going to start with the cylinder. Press the roller to confirm. Now specify the diameter. The diameter is 56. Press enter it. Save OK. Press the roller to confirm. Now just finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Here make it symmetric value. Total extrusion length is also be 56. Save OK. Now just hide the sketch. Now we have created the cylinder. Then we just want to create this feature. For that, move a plane, the mid plane, to the distance of 90 mm. From that we'll generate it. Go to the datum plane. At distance, there are different options available. At distance, choose this mid one. Change the direction. The total distance is from the center to here is 90 mm. And if you want to make this plane is bigger, you can just enlarge it. Save OK. Here you can see we have a cylinder here. Now I have created a datum plane here. Now I am going to draw this sketch, a rectangle, to this plane. Now go to the sketch again. Select this plane. Here you can see sketch is coming reverse direction. Just change it to reverse. Save OK. Then only you will get same view. Now take the rectangle. Just put the rectangle here. Just make sure you are in the entire assembly. Just hide this plane. Now the length of the rectangle is 48. Say yes. And the height is 24. Say yes. It should be started from the bottom. So from here to here, the distance is 56 divided by 2. 56 divided by 2. Press the roller to confirm. And it's not symmetric. Make that is symmetric. From this point, this line, and this line, and this axis. Save OK. Now you can see the sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Here make it until next. Here it is automatically taken unite. Save OK. Then hide the sketch. Now we have created two add material features. Now we will go for the remove material feature of this slot, keyway slot. For that, go to the sketch again. Here select the surface. Save OK. Now start with the circle. Press the roller to confirm. Now the diameter of the circle is 32. Press enter. Say yes. Then create a rectangle. Just create a random rectangle connected to the edge. Make this rectangle symmetric. Just use this one, this line, and this one. Then say OK. Now just specify the width of 6 mm. This value is 6. Save OK. This side you specify some 20. Save OK. Now remove the unwanted edges. Go for the trim. Delete this one and this one. Then close it. Now we have created the section. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. change the direction. Until next, Boolean is automatically take and subtract. Say OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created a keyway cut here. Now we just want to remove material here. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Now take the circle. Midpoint. Create a circle. Then press the roller to confirm. Now specify the diameter is 32. The diameter is 32. Press enter it. Press the roller to confirm. Then go for finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Total material removal length is 40 mm. Specify the value of 40. Say OK. Then hide the sketch. Now we have finished all the features. Just rotate it. Now just go here, orient view, isometric. The same view we got. In that we have finished this tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please share to your friends. For next tutorial, we'll come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.